Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best glass baking dishes that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Anchor Hawking Glass Baking Dishes for Oven 2-piece set. At just $16.99, this budget-friendly option gives you 2 versatile baking dishes. One with a 2-quart capacity and the other with a 3-quart capacity. Both are crafted from durable, tempered glass that's microwave, oven, freezer, and dishwasher safe. The dishes are also BPA-free, making them a safe choice for your family. The design is simple yet effective, with crystal clear glass that allows you to monitor your baking progress. While these dishes lack handles or lids, their minimalist design makes them lightweight and easy to store. The tempered glass doesn't absorb odors or stains, adding to their longevity. The Anchor Hawking set is a fantastic choice for anyone on a tight budget or just starting out in the kitchen. However, keep in mind that these dishes don't come with lids, which limits their versatility for storage. If you're looking for affordability without sacrificing durability, this set is a solid pick. At number 4, we have the Pyrex 2-piece Basics Value Pack, priced at $23.79. This set includes an 8-inch 2-quart dish and a larger 3-quart oblong baking dish. Both are made from non-porous glass that won't absorb odors or stains, ensuring easy cleanup and long-lasting performance. These dishes are oven, microwave, freezer, and dishwasher safe, making them highly versatile. The design is classic Pyrex, simple, functional, and reliable. Although this set doesn't come with lids, the sturdy build and scratch-resistant surface make it a dependable choice for everyday use. The dimensions are perfect for medium-sized casseroles, lasagnas, or baked desserts like brownies. While this set is slightly more expensive than our number 5 pick, it offers a bit more durability and versatility, making it ideal for casual bakers or cooks who value reliability. However, the lack of lids means you'll need separate storage solutions for leftovers. Overall, the Pyrex Basics Value Pack is a dependable option for your cooking and baking needs. At number 3, we have the Pyrex 4-piece Extra Large Glass Baking Dish Set, priced at $24.99. This set includes 2 baking dishes, a 2-quart dish and a 3-quart dish, along with snug-fitting BPA-free plastic lids. These lids make it easy to store leftovers or transport your food without spills. The standout feature here is the Easy Grab extended handles, which make it safer and more convenient to carry these dishes, whether you're moving them from oven to table or freezer to counter. The tempered glass construction is oven and freezer safe, providing even heating and durability. These dishes are also dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. Pyrex's reputation for quality shines through, and it's clear why this brand is a favorite among home cooks and bakers. This set is ideal for people who want practical storage options along with their bakeware. The lids add extra convenience, though they are only top-rack dishwasher safe. If you're looking for a balance of affordability, performance, and versatility, this Pyrex set is a fantastic investment. At number 2, we have the 8-piece Deep Glass Baking Dish Set from MMCRCO, priced at $39.99. This set includes 4 baking dishes of varying sizes: 1 quart, 1.7 quart, 2.3 quart, and 3.2 quart, each paired with tight-fitting BPA-free plastic lids. Designed for multi-purpose use, these dishes go straight from freezer to oven without cracking or shattering, thanks to their durable borosilicate glass construction. The lids feature a non-slip design for easy stacking in the fridge, and their slosh-proof seal keeps food fresh and safe during transport. The widened handles provide ergonomic support, making it easy to move dishes without risking burns or spills. The clear glass design lets you monitor your cooking progress while doubling as an elegant serving dish. This set is perfect for anyone who enjoys batch cooking or meal prepping, as the variety of sizes accommodates everything from casseroles to desserts. While it's on the pricier side, the versatility, quality, and storage-friendly design make it well worth the investment. However, the lids are not oven-safe, which is something to consider if you prefer baking with covers. Finally, at number 1, we have the Pyrex Basics 3-pack glass baking dish set, the premium option on our list at $49.99. This comprehensive set includes 3 rectangular baking dishes with capacities of 2 quarts, 3 quarts, and a generous 4.8 quarts, each paired with snug-fitting BPA-free plastic lids. These dishes are preheated oven, microwave, freezer, and dishwasher safe, offering unmatched versatility. The high-quality, non-porous glass resists stains, odors, and scratches, ensuring these dishes maintain their pristine condition even after regular use. The lids make it easy to store leftovers or transport food without spills, while the classic rectangular shape is perfect for everything from lasagnas to roasted vegetables. With its robust build and thoughtful design, this set is ideal for both everyday cooking and special occasions. Although it's the most expensive option on the list, the Pyrex Basics set delivers exceptional value for its price. The large capacity and durable construction make it a long-term investment for serious home cooks or anyone who loves entertaining. If you want the best of the best, this Pyrex set is the one to get. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.